Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to deposit Tether ERC20 in the CEX exchange. We enter the product section and then we click on wallet. In the dashboard, we go to the cryptocurrencies and look for the Tether. In front of Tether, you click on Add Funds. We choose the asset we want to deposit, and for the payment method, you can choose between Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit and debit card, and alternative methods. We choose the deposit address, which we have to add our wallet address to it, and we have to choose the blockchain for depositing, which in our case is Ethereum. We can also copy the code in our wallet and deposit. Also, you can scan the QR code and add the address to your wallet. Pay attention that the minimum deposit is $5 for the ERC20 and the maximum withdrawal fee is also $5. We scan the QR code with our wallet, and to check our transaction history, we go to the products again and click on wallet. In dashboard, go to the transaction history. As you can see, our transaction was successful. Good luck.